Good, good Sunday afternoon to you. This is Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with a tropical storm beta update on this Sunday afternoon. Stand by. In the meantime, remember to watch our quick weather today show tomorrow on YouTube or Instagram or right here on our Facebook page. TNW News or on the Quick Weather Facebook page. Quick Weather today.
Reconnaissance aircraft and radar data indicate that Beta has redeveloped a little farther to the west. A storm surge warning is in effect from Port Aransas, Texas to Rockefeller Wildlife Refuge, Louisiana, including Copano Bay, Aransas Bay, San Antonio Bay, Matagorda Bay, Galveston Bay, Sabine Lake, and Lake Calcasieu. A tropical storm warning is in effect from Port Aransas, Texas to Morgan City, Louisiana. A tropical storm watch is in effect from Baffin Bay to Port Aransas, Texas. Tropical storm conditions are occurring in the tropical storm warning area along the southwestern Louisiana coast and will spread westward to the warning areas in Texas late today through early Monday. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the tropical storm watch area along the South Texas coast on Monday. A tornado or two could occur Monday near the middle to upper Texas coast or the southwestern Louisiana coast. Through Thursday, Beta is expected to produce rainfall accumulations of 8 to 12 inches with isolated totals of 20 inches from the middle Texas coast to southern Louisiana, with 4 to 8 inches spreading northward into the lower Mississippi River Valley by midweek. Flash and urban flooding is likely, as well as minor to isolated moderate river flooding. For storm information specific to your area, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. At 1 p.m. CDT, the center of Tropical Storm Beta was located about 180 miles, 290 kilometers east-southeast of Port O'Connor, Texas. Beta is moving toward the west-northwest near 5 miles per hour, 7 kilometers per hour, and this general motion is forecast to continue during the next day or so. A decrease in forward speed and a turn to the north and northeast is expected Monday night and Tuesday. On the forecast track, the center of Beta will continue to move toward the coast of Texas and will likely move inland by Monday night and remain close to the coast of southeastern Texas on Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour, 95 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 195 miles, 315 kilometers, from the center. Little change in strength is forecast during the next couple of days before Beta reaches the Texas coast. Weakening is anticipated once Beta moves inland. The combination of a dangerous storm surge and the tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Rockefeller Wildlife Refuge, LA to Ocean Springs, MS including Vermilion Bay, Lake Bourne, Lake Pontchartrain, and Lake Maurepas, 13 feet. Port Aransas, TX to Rockefeller Wildlife Refuge, LA including Copano Bay, Aransas Bay, San Antonio Bay, Matagorda Bay, Galveston Bay, Sabine Lake, and Calcasieu Lake, 24 feet. Baffin Bay, TX to Port Aransas, TX including Corpus Christi Bay and Baffin Bay, 13 feet. Mouth of the Rio Grande to Baffin Bay, TX, 12 feet. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 4 p.m. CDT, www.hurricanes.gov.
Stay tuned to all our social media pages all day long and tomorrow and throughout the week to get the latest on Tropical Storm Beta. This has been Operational Manager Ty Nardoni coming to you live with a latest update on Tropical Storm Beta.